drive. He's got his head right out the sunroof.
That stopped the line. Like,
He's
I'm in charge.
He's
of
our
this vehicle.
he's our hood ornament. Yeah.
Okay. That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah. He had to look
That
at
was
the sunroof. I guess we're coming to another little. What's this say? Welcome, Fallbrook Falls.
Not away.
Right here. Fallbrook Falls.
No deer hunting.
No deer hunting.
Oh, put your bow away.
I forgot that I had my bow and arrows
I know.
in here. Not sure how far we get to go in here, but it's a nice little off the beaten path. Maybe if that helps. A little bumpy.
Was that guy French?
Yeah. He was from Shippingen. We are still driving. I guess we're gonna park right here, Goopy. I guess this is where we park. Parking. Okay. So this is our parking. Okay, so